It's squishy yarn time. Squishy yarn time. Hello knitters, Barbara Benson here. I'm an independent knitwear designer who also likes to make videos here on my YouTube channel, Watch Barbara Knit. Please check in the description below for more information about all of my designs. There's a link to Ravelry, a link to sign up for my newsletter, and a link to the Watch Barbara Knit's Facebook group where we can continue the conversations that we are having here. I have a quick video for you today, and what I have is a couple of boxes. I actually have most good ideas of what's in here, but I thought you guys might have some fun watching me open it up. Now, this is, as you can see, very flat, a book, and this is squishy. So what should I open first? Squishy! Okay, here we go. So, I know where this came from. I'm really excited, and you can look forward to more videos featuring this. This is yarn from Bijou Basin Ranch. And if you've ever heard of them, you can know this is going to be very, very exciting, and it actually fulfills a request that a couple of you have made in doing yarn reviews, is wanting to know more about more exotic yarns. And Bijou Basin Ranch does some very exotic yarns, and let's see what's in here. So we're gonna pull this out. Woo! What's in here? Oh my goodness, it is way more than I expected. How exciting! They sent me a pattern and yarn and cool stuff, and oh, look at this. BBR, Bijou Basin Ranch. That is super cool. And you can see by this pattern, one of the things that they're really big on is buffaloes, I assume, or bison. I don't know. I'm pretty sure they have opinions on whether I should call them buffalo or bison. I will look it up before the yarn review video and have the right answer. Oh, it's a cool outfit. Look. It's a pretty cool, it's like a shruggy bolero thing. So it's a Bijou Basin Ranch bolero. That is so fun. Very exciting. And then here is, there we go. You can see the fuzzy critters. And let's see what else we have. Oh, that's cool. I've got sticky notes. And you can see there is a sheepies as well as a buffalo bison guy. That is pretty cool, but it says quality exotic fibers and yarns. And they sent me some wool wash from Allure, which is very cool. I have not used this one, so you know, when I am blocking my swatch, I will use this and let you guys know what I think about it. And some lovely little stitch markers from somebody named Chepe. Look at those. Those are great. Stores eBay. I will put a link in the description below to this. These are super nice. You guys know how much I love stitch markers. And you guys are like, get with the program. It's squishy yarn time. Squishy yarn time. And again, Bijou Basin Ranch. Can you see it? There it is. Oh, come on. Focus, dude. It's not focusing for me. So, it's ripping time. Oh, look at this. It almost matches my shirt. This is gorgeous. They asked me what color I wanted, and this kind of dark orangey terracotta. I will have to figure out, it's got a number on it, so I will find out the color for you, put it in the description below, and also we'll talk about it more when I do swatch lab, swatching with this. But what is so cool, this is called Himalayan Summit, and it is 50% superfine merino and 50% yak down. So I told you guys wanted to know more about exotic fibers, so here we go. I got us some yak to play with. It is is very, very soft. It is super soft. It does not smell any different than regular yarn. I say that because I have blocked yak before, and when you get it wet, it does smell a little bit. But, you know, when you block wool, it smells kind of sheepy, so one would expect that. So they're in Elbert, Colorado, and this says it's a product of Tibet/USA, which is really cool. I'm guessing the yak comes from Tibet because they got a lot of yaks there. So there we go. That is the yarn. You can look forward to a swatch lab with this amazingly beautiful yarn. And tell me in the description below what kind of pattern you would think this would. For some reason, I'm thinking fingerless mitts, but that's probably because I designed a pair of fingerless mitts in a similar color. But I love this color and I love this yarn. It's fabulous, and look for it. Now, the other box, Gigantor box. I know exactly what's in here because I bought it. And when I was shopping for Christmas for other people, I went to Barnes & Noble and bought books and stuff. And then, and then they gave me a coupon to use after Christmas to get money off. So obviously, if I have money off, what am I going to do? I'm going to buy a knitting book because I never ever have enough knitting books. And this is really hard to open up. Look how much came off. Look at that. That is ridiculous. These little tear strips. Look, it did it again. I also think it made my camera do something funny. These little, it looks like it should like be a zipper thing, and it just, guys, don't put the zippers on here if it don't work. I'm so glad I'm not worried I'm destroying my book. I'm glad I didn't use my good scissors too. Look at that. That's ridiculous. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. So exciting. So it's kind of funny though. I'm very excited to have this book, but I already have this book. Look, I have but you will note there is a minor difference between these two books. This one is my brand new book, and this one is the same book, but it's entirely in Japanese. And I bought it in Japanese, and I knew it was in Japanese, and I worked for a lot of Japanese stitch dictionaries. But I'm very excited to have it also in English so that I can see if the things that I've figured out on my own are actually accurate. It feels a little bit heavier though, so I'm curious if adding the English made it longer or what's in it, if it's different at all, but I will have to figure that out. It is different. Let me see. It's definitely heavier. Okay, how many pages are in this one? As you can see, it's all in Japanese. 135 pages. Let's see this one. I have, 160 pages. So it definitely is longer. I don't know if that means that it has more information in it or if it just means that English takes up way more space than Japanese. But we will find out. It is a stunning, stunning book, and I am super excited. You know what? This is going to be what the additional pages are. There's a front about Japanese stitch patterns. And then there's all the guides to the symbols. Let's see here if this has, I don't think this has that front part. Nope. See though, this one, it just goes, let me show you. It just goes directly into stitches. And then this one has all of this about the stitch symbols. Now let's see if it still has, and it has all the illustrations. It has the illustrations in the back where it shows you little pictures of how to do things. It actually has the names of them, which I'm really excited about because up until this point, I've just been making up names for things. I'm like, I'll just call this a cinch stitch because I don't know what it's supposed to mean, but it cinches things. I don't know. It looks like it might have less of this. Huh. Let me see. Nope, this one only has a couple pages too. So, okay. So, frankly, if you read English and instead of Japanese, you probably want to get this version, which is available now. This one I like special ordered from Canada when it first came out. So I'm excited to have both and to be able to play with both. And maybe what I'll do for my swatch for my fabulous yak yarn is do something out of here. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see a Japanese stitch in this gorgeous yarn, and we can see what we can come up with. I hope you enjoyed this super fast video. If you liked it, please click the like button. And if you would like to be notified whenever I upload a new video, please subscribe to my channel and select notifications. Thank you so much.